Very good morning to one and all. My name is Aditi Ramdas Bari, a student of Deep Education Society, SAS Institute of Management. I am going to present a PPT on business on perspective management. My topic name is 14 Principle. Henry Fayol's 14 Principles of Management. Division of work. Work should be divided among individuals and groups to ensure that efforts and attention are focused on special proportion of the task. Falls presented work specialization as the best way to use the human resources of an organization. Second, authority. The concept of authority and responsibility are closely related. Authority was defined by Fayol as the right to give orders and the power to exact obedience. Responsibility involves being accountable and is therefore naturally associated with authority. However, assume authority also assume responsibility. Third, discipline. A successful organization requires the common efforts to work. Penalty should be applied judiciously to encourage these common efforts. Fourth, unity of command. Workers should receive orders from only the manager. Unity of direction. The entire organization should be moving towards a common objective in a common direction. 6. Subordination of individual interest to the general interest. The interest of one person should not take priority over the interest of the organization as a whole. Remuneration. Many variables such as cost of living, supply of qualified personnel, general business condition and success of the business should be considered in determining a worker's rate of pay. Centralization. Fayol defined centralization as lowering the importance of the subordinate role. Decentralization is the increase in the importance. The degree of the which centralization or decentralization should be adopted depends on the specific organization in which the manager is working. 9. Scalars chain. Manager is hierarchy are part of a chain like authority scale. Each manager from the first line superior to the president possesses certain amounts of authority. The president possesses the most authority, the first line superior, the last lower level manager should always keep upper level manager informed of their work activities. The existence of a scalar chain and to the they it are necessary if the organization is to be successful. Order. For the sake of efficiency and coordination, all materials or people related to a specific kind of work should be treated as equally as possible. 11. Equity. All employees should be treated as equally as possible. 12. Stability of nature of personnel. Retaining productive employees should always be a higher priority of management. Requirement and selection cost as well as increased product reject rates are usually associated with hiring new workers. Third, initiative. Management should take steps to encourage work initiative, which is defined as new additional work activity undertaken through self-direction. 14. Spirit D props. Management should encourage harmony and general good feelings among employees. Thank you.